Welcome to SeeLess Solutions instructional videos. Today we're going to be talking about how typically you would either install the device onto the wall by screwing it into the studs, and then afterwards bringing it into the gypsum. So the idea here is that you always want to bring this surface here flush with the gypsum, allowing the extra lip here, so when they're mudding, it gives them more space to level everything in place. The device is also made to be installed as a retrofit. So if you have your wires ready here, you can bring it into the wall, bring it into the front, pull it forward this way. We've added additional lines to allow you to adjust the brackets. You can either adjust the brackets in the newer model to the 3/4 that will allow you to bring it flush, or you can actually do what we're doing here, whereas using the screws and screwing through the front of the drywall into the bracket, just like when you're mudding in standard drywall. And then once you screw it in, the screw gets flush with this, and then when you're mudding over, you're hiding the screw surface. So these are two different ways to install it.